This is our review for the Housmile Aroma Diffuser Ultrasonic Humidifier, which holds 100 milliliters of water. It has a waterless auto shut-off and a mist interval timer set, which we'll look at. This is 3.35 inch by 5.5 inch diffuser. As far as the mist interval timer, you have your 30 minutes, your 60 minutes, 120, 180 minutes continuous, or you can turn it off. It runs about 5 hours in continuous mode, and it auto shuts off when it runs out of water. It has 7 different light changes, and you can adjust the different lights from bright to dim mode. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this. We have not opened this, so this is going to be new for us. There we go. And you see how the box looks here. Open this, and we got the diffuser here. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. And the first thing that comes out of the box is your little measuring cup where you put your water, your adapter, and here's the diffuser, and your instructions. Nice little instruction book here. As you can see, it explains what the different pieces are, instructions for operation, other little maintenance information that is vital to using this and keeping it healthy and operational. So we're going to go ahead and move this out of the way. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this ready to go. I'm going to have to unplug my poor tree here in a moment. And here is the diffuser itself. This is where the mist will come out, here at the top. You'll be able to see that there. And then you have your light, where you hit it and it adjusts to different brightness. You can hit it more than once, and you'll see that it changes from bright to dim. Then you have where it has your mist button. And then you can hit it where first time it's going to do 30 minutes, then it'll do 60, 120, and then 180. And it's easy to take off the top. Here's the top, how it looks open. So that's really neat there. And I mean, it's really easy. I just spin it off. So here's your water chamber. And it gives you the different levels of water that you can put in there and tells you, so you don't have to worry about it. You have your drainage side, you have your air intake at the bottom here. This is where you plug in your adapter, which we will do right there a second. Let me set that down. And give me 1 second, I'm going to pause it here so that we can get this thing plugged in. Alrighty, we got the diffuser plugged in, and we have the little water cup here, and I already have some water. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. And I like to play with the oils a little bit. Some of my favorite oils, I like lavender, I like peppermint, and then I have one which is a jasmine scent, so I like to put a little bit of each. And this one I normally put like maybe 1 or 2 drops, somewhere around there. It looks like I put a little bit more, but it still smells good. And then I'm going to take a couple drops of my lavender. There we go. And for the sake of time, we're going to just use the same little dropper. And it doesn't hurt it, and put a couple peppermint in there. There we go. And those oils will blend together. You don't have to worry about it. And another thing I like about this diffuser, it actually works as a humidifier as well, so you don't have to actually put any oil in there. You can actually just put water in there. So we're going to go ahead and do the mist and turn on the light. And I will reduce the light in here so you can see that a little bit better. There we go. Alright, and as you see, that's the bright light. And I'm going to go ahead and hit it and see if it starts to dim it here. There we go. That's when it dims the light. And then hit it again, takes it back to bright. And I can actually smell it coming out of there. The mist is coming out here in the back. It's not like a heavy mist, so you're not going to really see it like some of the other ones. But it smells great. I mix all kinds of scents with essential oils. Whatever scents you really like. I mean, there's so many different things online that you can find that'll tell you different things about how to mix the oils and so forth. Smells great. I'm going to set the timer here. It's not a heavy mist, but you smell it. But I have no complaints. I've owned a few of these machines, and this works pretty good. Like I said, the scent is not heavy. It's kind of faint, so I guess kind of it would depend on the scents you're using, how heavy and fragrant they are. But it works fine. Works as described. Easy to put together, easy to assemble. It comes with very detailed instructions so that you're able to use it within no time at all. Alrighty, I was having a little bit of trouble with it because I was wondering why it wasn't showing as much of the mist. So I did pause to check that out. And you actually have to hold the button down, and as you can see there, it's going to show you a little light here. That's going to show that it's now on 30 minutes. And then when I press it down again, I was reading the instructions. I don't recall seeing that it says I had to press it and hold it. But either way, it was one of those trial and error type of things. But as you can see, my scent, which I was able to smell before, but it was just maybe because of how fragrant it was, is going. And as far as the light, I've had to press it to change the color, so I'm not sure if that's an auto color changer or not. Now it's auto color changing. Before it was not. I was actually pressing the button, so that's good. Hopefully it continues here, so I'm going to watch it and see. There we go. So I was goofing it up a little bit, but that's what happens during these unboxing videos. You see everything as it goes down. How your experience could happen when you open it for the first time. But it is a cute little diffuser. I have no issues with it. Took me a minute to figure it out because I opened it up just right on video. Let me see if I can take some more light out of here. Let's see. I'm going to give you more light to see if you can see the color. I'm going to see if I pull it up a little bit. See if I can see the color. 1 second. Alrighty. That should be better. Try to take as much light as possible. I think some colors show a little bit better than the others. As right now it's showing like a white turning into a blue. But it's, I mean, no complaints. I give it 5 stars.